na yedo ba de asese wa ma de pache na me gidi se won so ho ye pa. Join us on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 TV no Sompa TV. And other portals. As I tell you about watching more kwaba now to say. And somebody be chegu. Na a branch of friend do boy. Yenina be kaisen one be dead gem. Attorney General Dr. Ayini Central Fonshia mu kensem bebre tuja. We any lawyer attach yan so yin sem na no. No say adubo ahe. Aka kire no say ebeba na ebegu na nimu ase one na yire nimu ase de. Classified information state secret. Obe reveal e de defending ho. Na o say enema bebre ana Attorney General no onim e kwan mo fa so ye omu dwumanti no ohun documents bi ni nkrata bi odim rikade begu montene na confidential national signal bureau yaw akwaba krata bi damanim te wo kra na post ye eye atroso confidential kire say Masa confidential actually say.
Those was when you can dem yen kana bo.
Kukuamu asem kukuamu twotworo mucho. Eni so obi atibi. Member of Parliament for Malaysia South. But who say we friend me pa think wo ma me meet kakra me friend back. Aye. Ba for the we nipa. If you ask Obi do ana so ado ne bi
no correct
Obi do wa do bi nya abrante bi ne boy eno no kwabra yaw krata na beto abonten to National Security Coordinator copy to National Security Advisor Director General NSB from Kwabena Dubuahin and was a signature to every one chair.
Signature in kitting.
So May 5th, 2025. Matters relating to special operations, activities, and funding. Or say, your kind attention is drawn to certain developments that have arisen following our unsuccessful attempt to meet due to scheduling conflicts with your good office. You will recall that subsequent to my arrest and detention in Yoko cells, the Attorney General of the Republic has been very vocal in a number of press briefings where he brands my wife and I as criminals and alluded to transactions between a certain national BNC account and private BNC account purportedly owned by us. I cannot tell where the Attorney General gets his theories from, but as your good office will have learned by now, till the matter relates to transaction between your special services account, National Security Coordinator, no special services account, special operations account, and coordinated account, and SPV account, and BNC Communication Bureau, till duly authorized and created for the national security exigencies of the time, and for which my wife duly vetted and the UMB were instrumental in facilitating. Or say the yire ye vetino e approve say accounts no niam ni bi wo se fa na yire ho. And a Universal Merchant Bank for so maybe I really save no. Almost were informed.
Yeah,
they far account to him and the year account them for national security operations.
And yet Obana
there. It was say or catch national security coordinator side. By this time on no who say and them of the big go abonteno. And yes, sanity. To see which you have, I know your office will have learned by now that the matter relates to coordinated accounts, operations account, SPV account. Now the year national security vetino tio and omo approve ye and only agree no. It is bizarre that the Attorney General attempts to link unrelated transfers, withdrawals, and refunds for special operations with assets we do not own, and a few we own, which mostly predate to 2020 transactions he raised. A cursory look on the part of anyone will reveal these facts. I am also disturbed to know that the services of bloggers and social media influencers have been employed to post and run commentary on these lies, to amplify the matter and bring prominence to this malicious agenda against not just one person, but the national security as well. As this ridiculous drama unfolds, some 49 million Ghana cedis of special operations funds have now become the subject of court action, where my wife and I, as well as other affiliates, are being accused with charges including stealing and causing financial loss to the states. Yo, Abrantia no go further. Eddie, special issues. We Sika omodi operations. What did you go? And you see, yo, day one, what did you make? Me say revealing national security secrets. Abrantia no, he was not debriefed. Was he debriefed?
Your friend say Attorney General.
Kwakubu Adubahin, Kwabra Dubahin. So obey you will be free national security. Ye didn't go for debriefing. No, ye no near maybe man near maybe a free nimu.
You are dead with her contact. Odo security service in the moa. Udi bewu, Adewa Obetse, Ubehu, Yebeka Chiro, Udi bewu free assassin so, or ye come on tender, untimi mona money. You are sembi or Yebeka Chiro, Ubehu, Obetse. Untimi no be any whom come so ubewu free assassin so. What is ya? Or the crack tablet to about to say, Sikabi, your mama cast or Tomano. Sikabi, Yadikobwa opposition. Sikabi, Yeniseno. Have you heard anybody come out to deny say Oboa? Yanshe ya. Yanshe ya. Ebe we are saying that's state secret. Go Abrantia no so dare say. E was so court go defend in home because Omagun anymore say. Ye was Sikabi one ma yaw. I can tell you the entire national security capos. A month for whom so more cash no. Ye was Sikabi wa yan to dio. Et say bia Omanhene Yaw mama ebe Kumasi. E was say regional coordinating couple. Yes.
Ye ti sika bi man no de hwe chire. Say sika no ye wia ye nkobunku ntase de ye we yo.
Your name bi wo so etimi ba as emergency as no na waba no.
E no ne friend no emergencies of the time.
Yes.
Okay, Omanhene Kufo ne Francis Poku.
Yeah.
Dear na si omontem. Francis Poku kaka che Omanhene Kufo say Rollins yakọ Venezuela akobe ekoji sika be yeku.
Abeyeku ye betu.
It turn out say ye ntro. Ewi ase enyo Omanhene Kufo na nka ka akobo obi di ka akopem na ade man ko muku no.
Ebo no kra wie ebo ka animu ye.
And when later omo de chef Francis Poku. So ono na nka oku no. No akata niam bi so. Ena Omanhene ma ye kwachi no a ye di bi fi na ye pamo no. Ewi ase sa de na affect Omanhene ene oti wheelchair mu no. There are certain state secrets. America ho. You hear movies. It will tell sika dollars ma one operative for a purpose be a espionage be near dinti. Who go who says sika on account to na say when you careful. Who ba accuse no.
Tina konta yemfa ni pahunu bi amfa unko run national security. Na ka ne no ye be for obi a.
Ya predudo.
Obi a wadi police. The police ni kura wodi ye no we so exceptional. Ni a graduate waba ni a de waba beram. Obo on mo a military officer. Na we so exceptional. Ni a pega wa ni a de waba be obo a fire service personnel.
That's right.
Ni a pega wa ni a de waba beram obo a prisons officer. Customs ni sa ni manam. Etu ko national security a. Yo nipa nyina bi oho.
But Ghana, unfortunately, you say national security.
Yes.
Abai, especially the kind MPP. NBC MPP for ya. Edru maybe obi obehia na oso okuta national security. Ono across a person intelligence cry ewo always see a branch be was on national security na walkie talkie na one akasa bi wajimi
as I don't remember sabi onim
asante me so obi wa dey see out onim yansa wajimi
security jina mam kasa bi a security expert na
aladi jado
oh the go security expert
stop being mischievous
o person check me na me see
what dey be tell yaw utimi sia obi was so a national security operative missy way na kwa intelligence am kwa me obi and so that walkie talkie nipa mo no wa be walkie talkie no didi nkomo say e ma bi hu so national security wey mo betra ha yaw asante betra ka say attorney general he's treading dangerously abrantie no so wafuma onfa kwa bi so because national security operative if you expose him one we be chire no odinye ba be ka a chire say hwe enye sa asem wi a wan na nim se o mampani jo mama ye to abama no kwa ye to cars miensa e de konfie wan na nim enye ma bi o mo ye ma opposition wan na nim you see ye woni ma bi wo no ma
billion ye de ma opposition for se be ya ombetima toto ne ma no mo de quality o mo resource na nke no na konta eye Omanhene
eye Omanhene dia
eye na wose ye bo mo
and this one deny
yeah,
no way.
Also opposition party.
Also opposition party.
So
one more NDC. Also opposition party.
But so opposition party NDC is a major stakeholder at that time.
Very good. So Abia una wanya obi nyai. Assembly General say.
So una wanya obi je.
You don't expose a national security operative. Our director of bureau, signal bureau.
Them person making a
Debbie.
Francis Opoku asama na wakano. Tama, he was pushed to the wall by former
president. Was posing 70 Bikram and some Jeffo. One of Fred, Bakone, was he prating the good soldier for no coin? They had to leave.
Meba, Papa, we, and no more the able to give you me who say Jack be on some family preconation. I do want him.
So be on the back of court.
Oh, so a court and Sabakebi. No way, say court no court to ye. Now, because on funny in Amra, because we knew her. Men will require special operations for electoral commission. How this come out commission. And they are many public besina into Amoka Yesu. So some of these revelations about why
very good. But special operation for electoral commission. Until say we see you wouldn't say electoral commission. You have almost special operation. That very special operation ABI. But ABI it is for their protection. Bet me cry and see about on the anto.
And I may say the BBA no for that career in Amra.
Asante
It's
not good for our security.
And I was MPs. And MP special operations say be on 960,000. On my own for to Japreco because you can
pass national security bill.
Yeah.
Now also MPs no more subsidiary legislation committee no which amount for cry legislate and the current ministers be no more sa committee
no omo jiska
omo passes
yes yes corruption
this perception has been there say
but and who say no
cry some especially the minority and majority leaders no
omo jiska
so anybody on famra
adu why asema okay MPs no be deny
oh akota omuni okay
MPs ni be deny
akota okay papa we PC appeal
nanka
emra ni ekoto Vodafone
wo kan say MPs ni gina je $5,000
na no kra dey one touch
and you go Vodafone also am je $5,000 o ma me kaso aboda
on na ba ye hu say ade no duru ba bi a parliament odom no say niam bi for mo nsase ansana niam bi atwetwe ho ma no
parliamentary special enactment of NSB at 2020 960,000 MPs allowance now 2020 9.6 billion and omo chema subsidiary
yes
committee no me be 14
say 12
bi anya kra obi anya 800 million share no
yes
because ya say one say mo ye we nyina parliamentary special enactment and also 309 MPs allowance subsidiary legislation defense interior for J 9.6 subsidiary 4J
Operation Calm Life
yes
3,780,000 Ghanaians
Say sika we nyina no. Adubuahen sika se. Dodo na fa na accountum.
Because Adeakye no yentimi emfa me kan say national signals be say bi kra e bi wonum kra konta time let me see weekend.
Mesi sika ni bo ha e fie wura soane.
Enti every weekend no na bia nya bank bia enti o say bia oyisika no kra oyisika no e de kosi fie say be ye betima ye sa transactions no
ye won nipa bebri honum a yawe me say omo kato elections.
Oh yes.
National security operatives. Na sika gu omo kato.
Oh yes.
Asem na wo say abranti a ye frɛ no ayene. O invite Kandapa. Former National Security Minister. Now odi niam we kire no ma no information and san wo move.
Akota me de ohun.
Jesus.
De aba mitirim eye say. Hwe. Yaba bedu ba bia akonta. Virtually ye bia ye wo mayi mu nyina na aka kakra bi niam institutions bi ne emiamia nkitinkiti ba ne ntimi fa ye politics ne nko gidigidi.
I say they raw.
But he say ye de wura ho no mama ye beji ensem say kridim kane no na yaso ya fofra ye de the executive legislature no aye ye politics ya say no na judiciary no na say ye wo buo kakra de ma asset na esi honom a omo ye omo dwuma and gradually ye de wura judiciary honom e ma Supreme Court justices ne chief justice ne ade ye na ke say agiegu ano no the next aban bia obeba bia no uni say and ye dia kwa ko run national security any security nim say kura de obi o national security boss and national signals bureau boss transactions in dia mo no mo ba no kura mo ya aware mo nim say Adeakye no it was done on security grounds anyway I will see a debate to abonting to score political points say be ya yebegu party bi anima say be yebegu abinda da na ekoye no anima say but in the end say me and e bia me ye informal CEO na say Adubuahen akota say kodru ba bi say ne lawyer attach ya kan say if push
and if you reviewed classified now the other to I'll
put it out say asep me ne me yere ne mabusu ba be ya kronfo ya ba be ya wudifo a mabofo say ye pe kro na bono say asep bibia ne Adubuahen dia Adubuahen ne toye hwe estate bi o mo de be good TV ne so say ni nyina say Adubuahen na akoto sika no sesai no eno no de kokoto e meanwhile asam na bia na entisa o ba ya kan gu no so enti boy no so fi say
also defending
no ma wa abusia enti if say na mo be kone dia enyema bia en say babonti me be babonti to defend my family
man kan kire wo say ubetuma ye de wa bonti Yahweh you can crucify somebody in the public domain they will hail you na udru court evidence is key na wanya nyina so a afebo say omo abonti no say judge for na anya de because our politicians to score political points adana miti ayene press conference I sat here ya me catch them say papa no he has shredded dangerously now a good quarter people like Adubuahen you will not have it easy with Atacha we don't have it easy with them
my way then this could be like he said was say this will be trailer in Malila
trailer in Malila
that's what Attorney General said
yes
now on my way you heard the same thing a special election special operations allowance back number 6 item 6 7,285,000 now the same item 7 election special operations allowance and logistics 6,764,000 election special operations support for opposition parties 8,300,000 okay can we inquire on my close about 24 million
and on TMU the outfit on your friend national signal and TMU oh no Yahweh asantite say oh no omo peke signal
yes
who do signal kwa peke
yes
and no tin na who say oh
Joe entino enye e bia yesu animo Attorney General so ne empanifo bo si adi nkomo wa akire
say signal no boa and the signal say puli say puli
Attorney General ntimi nkan kire say bia sa nkomo we ne niam we ya eba but so be kai a man ya yeta freni no ye dwuma obi na ne freni
kumado
be ka asem bi say de Adubuahen ka no some of anyamani bi won ma omo national security ni mu no they were aware no mo tiase but akonta so pe party a ho owo security couples na oye top NDC here amafo bebre kasa MPP ba bemu a eba security they are very weak
and because of omo PNDC
yes. But eba security ne one ne sa ne NDC top
and I would share national security coordinator advisor Kofi Boakye mo no the top notch
cannot govlola temu nyina ho at least can be crank can be betimi
consult
ade wey say
what I say
but akota say e be abeboye
media
abeboye ma similar ne yama bi amaye say henceforth even though say a national security sometimes you need money you need niama bi you need hwan but e bia or say ye way akota they should put it out
minimum by out me share America is America today.
Yes.
Russia, China, and America today.
Yes.
There is what is called state secrets.
Now, Attorney General to me can't say out of secrecy no moko swear.
You will never be on my Yaw.
Of secrecy.
And on a man national security for no.
Yes.
Among for say obi say Kandapa or Sika. Niade. Regional city campus almost
defense ministry.
You will never be on other defense ministry budget. You discussing.
Interior ministry what to say?
What and now you are hey. Yeah, continuity will say Sika be far baby. Very good. National Signal Bureau in what said NITU.
Yes.
Or to send it you.
Or to say
National Security Coordinator.
Your friend say Interior Minister near friend say they know who na no.
Henry Cotti.
Or to say a Bruce Derry. What's not to one more.
Obi the same Bruce Derry state secrets a good trim.
Your name do.
I'm showing now the state security near maybe Koenokas will be in Wakasa. Asante your name may be on about.
We are former
Attorney General now by
for me it is too early for now. I'm Attorney General onye na juma. Okreno kogunu wani masia. Na say omuti na kasa judge bi na ayede. Because enra muma gani be na masa rearrest.
Yes, Iyoko fu asa.
What you say? Man de bana de da.
Omo fanu ko.
Je be si bia no.
Ameya Kufi.
Je be hu, je be si bia no.
Christopher Ameya Kufi. CEO Solomon Samoa. Yeso omo be ye electric tree. Electric tree na Sky project no. Now they have been charged with criminal offenses over failed Accra Train Sky project.
Yeah, train na kebe fine. Ebe fa electric pole no na say kebe fa. Ebe fa for nua.
Ya grace for five picture ni bi kire no.
Deputy Attorney General.
Electric train we no say we dey we na.
Kebe si light pole.
Nye light pole.
Deputy Attorney General. Bajo Timi. Deputy Attorney General.
I don't know.
Or say e kwan bi on be fa so bia o wi Ghana is combeji. Deputy Attorney General. Srem Sai say omo nfa nche obiasi combeji. MPP for say NDC officials they are calling out.
Where
land train. Sky train.
Ni nano e was so say.
Sky train no.
Akota ye ne hu ko TV so sky train. Eti akota ye de ne kebe for the ye light pole green.
Oh, it's say land trains. Train lines on my uniform. Ya bo ma don.
E kebe some pada yo hu. Nega. Na mo see.
It's just
we dey.
It's so simple.
Kebe si phone way.
Oh, yes I can.
You see the we.
Kebe si simple. Because say na no.
MPP calls out NDC official for alleged corruption. Says Nanabi MPP slam NDC National Communications Officer over alleged misconduct. And I said, no, Nana B. And Samijan physical, what journey near Medina, what journey
what I saw here. Who's been for that so yeah. MPP National Communications.
I was so on your sheet.
What kind of communication?
Or your deputy Umba. Or your deputy communication officer MPP.
And for that matter, no
or say,
one can
be or say, Sami Jemfi Onino no. Unim Sami Jemfi, Sami Jemfi, Land Cruiser. Latest in town. Not Sami Jemfi $10. Etienne wa say Ghana for it is Sami Jemfi we.
Enti the people national communication officer of the MPP. Mo ye press conference ya bo ma won kan wo.
Eguba.
On kan wo, won to baby. Anyway no, ti o. Now, I was say member of the party.
Dale mo yin edi. What is he asake no?
Agoda, who ye deputy national
communications director
of MPP.
Part of the
party instance in say Adeɛ no a.
Or say as an individual. Not because of the party. Or say Sami Jemfi.
Yo, what's I can say?
Omunya is answer no.
And the total member.
What's I can say?
So already before the car come see and discipline.
I got a party no.
What's I also can say? When you say for between $250 a bomb
a bomb girlfriend.
And to honestly say, Omu Jina, Oberi secret.
Bimra. Omu Bimra. One more so much $50,000. A bomb girlfriend.
Yes, Omu $10,000, $20,000 or to buy the girl now. My budget so.
Hey,
so are you ready? Is he ready to review?
And then by now, so come and letter by now. If
letter.
Oh no, you see, I stop in the back for the party.
No, but who's been power can answer on be conference.
Let's say what they want say.
David me ba.
Minority also been answering name.
Also be pack say we and afenyo be press conference. And omo do aba. E bi omo na ni nkomo.
Akota afenyo mark in press conference ni wie ansa na also be pe kwotira na tu akek atoto ne bomb na kire MPs no.
Asa
Okomu wie ansa no.
Send we
na no kwotira no keke.
Afenyo mark so wo pre. Wo pre.
MPP party.
Oyi abrante enya asem. Ye ni omuni Ghana for ni komoni wie. MPP for ntiase ba.
Evidence.
Azante ma me kan ma no si. MPP for ntiase se. Obo hu efro Ghana. Ene ebufu o Ghana for mu enkoy. Eti ensam bi o ha. Omu twetwe so. So omu sia. Jaba Ghana for nka. O be ka ho.
Obaso mo so e Ghana.
Eno a woni de si ye.
Debi.
You
don't organize a press conference. What I say?
Check.
It should be individuals.
Afenyo ma ke kasa wie ye no. NDC ni bia no odidi Sami Jemfi atem. They turn their attention to Afenyo. Ghanaians turn their attention to Afenyo. Afe then they insult.
Yes.
Afena Sami Jemfi obi ankana sem they went to save Sami Jemfi by their press conference. Hey, and never be to see ho. Na abai na be your press conference no they are sending pagine. No opposition. They are not being smart.
But I thought that opposition no money among time ya ebianka de chin na de ne kura
it said yeah Nana B it was right.
Yes.
Ghana for me akasa to man tie say sentiments no no be kasa adano na afenyo ma ka so mo atwe mo sime di chi no
come to me kura twen bia omo se ya fresh Sami Jemfi outcome.
Yes.
Omu wi ano ma bechem say boni a waye say ni say ntie bi kwa aban de no it is too lenient whatever.
To say na bi e kan code of conduct of the president.
It will be so.
Or breaching a friend say
dollarization
na on friend say this money laundering act.
Yes.
It like you back it with a maybe a movie say
don't rush.
Yeah, now why no a breaching.
But at the end of the day, me the name sem Yahweh.
Minority no.
Abrante no.
Yahweh we back here.
Yes, I say we didn't go shrine.
Abrante we didn't go shrine.
Yes.
Okay, shrine no didn't come for what?
For alleged corruptions. If I say Ghana for any bro.
Mama sorry.
Obi
Now, what